Yo, hey yo, what's up on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Ubeator. I guess I unboxed something like this before, or I can't remember. Well, let's unbox this one. Alright. It came like this, no model number or something like that, and the box just black, just like this. Okay, and like this. So inside you get the manual. Okay, the model number is 67. Comb. Charging cable. And little brush. So, now the specs got a 2 hours charging time, 2 hours operating time, and 140 milliamp battery. That's it. So first of all, when it came, the blade was not good at all. So I changed the blade. I put on Madeshow GTX blade, the new one. So the blade that comes with it doesn't cut at all. It's not good. I needed to change it, and got USB Type-C, LCD display, and got really different colors, silver, black, this red, and maybe other colors I can't remember. So, and it's written here 6,500 RPM. But it's more than 6,500. So, and when I changed the blade, so when I put on this blade with the cam follower, everything, because this one comes with its own cam follower and this thing. So when I put it, it was very, very loud. So I needed to change only the blade, the steel blade, and the cutter blade. So the rest cam follower and the rest, this bracket is from this hair trimmer. As you can hear, got a very low noise. So now got 7,200 RPM, and I was testing this blade. It's really a good blade.